How to write a good summary. Writing a good summary demonstrates that you clearly understand the text and that you can communicate that understanding to your readers. A summary can be tricky to write at first because it's tempting to include too much or too little information. Summaries are a brief explanation of a story or piece of writing. You will need to include only the main idea and supporting facts. You can include some other things, but do not rewrite the story. First, preparing to write. Don't take any notes, just take in the bare minimum to wrap your mind in around the basic plot. In order to write an accurate summary, you must understand what you are reading. Try reading with the author's purpose in mind. Outlining the article serves as a skeleton of your summary. Write down support points, but do not go into minor detail. Last, revising your work. A summary is slightly different than any other creative work. You must maintain a voice that's current with the authors 100% of the time. Revisit the article as you go over your work if you are jumping to any conclusions. Another person may see an argument or point in a completely different light than you have, giving you a new feel for the text itself. Now that you've monitored your work for accuracy and efficacy of tone and writing, you can make your small changes, tweak the wording and transitions to make it as easy to read as possible. Don't forget to look for spelling, grammar and punctuation errors. Your credibility will seriously be questioned if you've glossed over the most basic of mistakes. Submit your work. Tips and tricks of summary writing. Remember to always track your words if you have a word limit. Your summary should always be much shorter than the original. If not, then it is a paraphrase. Remember to use synonyms and antonyms, word processors, right-click, instead of using the same vocabulary as in the original. Your introductory sentence, example given, the topic sentence should always clearly explain what the text will be about. Your concluding sentence should summarize the main points and ideas of the original. And finally, if you found the video helpful, be generous in your evaluation.